Google Admob is the best and the most highest paying ad network available, but it has a one big problem. It always gets an limited ad serving limit on all Admob accounts. When this happens, you don't get any money from the ads you show. So here is the solution for it. Go on your Admob account and select the app and go to the app settings. Here you will get the ad serving settings. Now click on the edit icon and you will get frequency capping option. Enable it and then you get two empty boxes where in the first one you have to fill 1 and the second one 30. Now click on save. Now all you have to do is to wait 2 to 3 weeks and the ads will start showing on your app. I have also done this with my account to see if it's real or not, and it definitely works. I will show you my app and it was not getting ads, but now it gets ads every time. So you can check my app. The link is in description and you can contact me for any apps or projects. I am also available on Fiverr. You can check the link in description and comment what you want the next video to be on, and like this video and subscribe the channel.